What's going on, guys, and welcome back to a new video. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Joshua Daniel George and I am documenting the journey of earning money with Clickbank. Now, before I begin, I just want to give a quick mention that if you are also a beginner with affiliate marketing and you want to know how to go from zero to hero, I have partnered up with Dijs University and everything will be linked in the description box down below, but we are hosting a masterclass on how to get started. So now that is said, I can get started with the video. Okay, guys, and welcome back to the video. So let's just address the elephant in the room. In the previous video, we set up our baby sleep miracle ads. I ran like a sort of warm-up process first because this is a new fresh ad account. The previous account got disabled, unfortunately, because that was my first campaign with Clickbank and I immediately started getting conversions, so I was over the moon. You know, it was profitable, and then unfortunately Facebook, Uncle Mark Zuckerberg, shut down my account. So I spoke to Colin. He basically gave me a new ad account, a new business manager to work from, so grateful that he could help me out. And what we then decided to do is run a bit more of a white hat flow on Facebook. So rather than capturing emails and promoting earn money online type of products, we've gone for a baby sleep miracle product, which is basically a product that helps babies, like newborn babies, fall asleep quicker. Okay, so we ran a warm-up campaign first, which is the bottom one of the two. So basically we ran this on €5 a day, not taking into consideration the 3-day rule, because we wanted to see if this ad account would stay standing, you know, if we were to actually run this with a high budget. So a few days later, a few days passed, and it didn't spend for the first few days. Then I left it running for 6 days. It started spending, and I think it spent like €44, and I concluded that the ad account was stable. So then I started my actual first real, basically, campaign with the 3-day rule. So the payout, let me just quickly get it up, was $20. So I ran it for €60 a day, and then the plan is to run it for 3 consecutive days. Then if I haven't gotten any purchases after 3 consecutive days, I kill the campaign, and then we'll switch over to something else. So in terms of Clickbank, as a whole, so the whole team here at Dijs University, we are getting conversions. It's good. This specific campaign, so the baby sleep miracle, hasn't gotten any purchases yet. I saw that from the Clickbank hops, the Clickbank daily sales trend. And for those of you that have no idea what product I'm actually promoting, let me just quickly get it up. It is the baby sleep miracle. So as you can see here, the average sale on the initial sale are both $20. 3-day rule means 3 times 20 is 60 a day for 3 days, and then we see how far we get. So this is the video sales letter that we basically send traffic to. We have a bridge page, which I showed in the previous video, and that basically sends traffic to this page, and then from here we hopefully get them to add to cart. Okay, so in terms of the campaign itself, let me just go into the ads manager so we can analyze the data. This is just 1 day in, so this is we ran this, it's a 7th day. This is yesterday, and we started this on the 5th. Okay, so we've got like 1 real full day of data. As you can see, we didn't spend much the first day. Actually, we didn't spend anything the first day, so it didn't actually start spending till the 6th, which was yesterday. Okay, so as we can see, we spent €25 out of the 60, which means we did set it up quite late on the 5th. So on the 6th. Hang on, let me just quickly check. Actually, when did we set up this campaign? I thought it was the 5th, but it might actually be yesterday. So let me just check in the ad sets. Ongoing 6th. Oh, okay, so we actually only started running this campaign yesterday. I'm getting mixed up, guys. So yesterday we set up this campaign. That is the reason why we only have 25 spends rather than 60, because we set it up late. So when we do a daily budget and we start, let's say, at noon, so that means half of the day is gone, it will usually only spend half of the budget. So as you can see here, judging by the amount we spent, we probably set this up between like 2 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So anyway, in terms of the click-through rate, it is on the low side of the spectrum, 2.63%. My apologies. Let me just switch this off. So in terms of the link click-through rate, it is on the low side of the spectrum. And in terms of the CPC, so the cost per click, it is relatively high. Personally, I think we can get the CPC a little bit lower because we did have better images than the first time round, which I'll get to in a moment. So I expect the cost per click to be a little bit lower when we can start optimizing a bit more, and we want that link click-through rate to be a bit higher. Okay, in terms of the click-through rate on the so on our bridge page, let me just quickly get the bridge page up. Actually, it might be good to show you guys what the bridge page looks like. The bridge page is created in Amazon S3 because I use volume for the tracking now, and it doesn't work if I use ClickFunnels. So this is what our bridge page looks like, and then they click through, then they get sent to the video's sales letter, and the bridge page, so this page got a 27% click-through rate, which could also be higher. Basically, because I'm a media buyer, and for my other clients, etc., I run Facebook ads, and I usually aim for a 40% click-through rate on like bridge landers, etc. So I would like this to be higher. This was the highest converting landing page according to the affiliate tools. So the affiliate tools here showed us, because I literally got this from the vendor. So let me just quickly go here to landing pages, and so basically I got this bridge page from here. So this is basically one of the the highest converting bridge pages. So I think we are not targeting the right audience, or we're not targeting enough people, or we on the front end, so on our advertisements, we aren't pre-framing that person enough to get them to understand what kind of offer this is. Okay, so that is what we're going to work on today. I just want to quickly see if there's any other tips and tricks that they've got for us. So we're going to go to Facebook tools and see if there's any other copy that we can use in terms of our images, because we've already optimized this yesterday as opposed to the warm-up stage. So in the warm-up stage we had, I can quickly show you guys, so the bridge page, we had 2 audiences which we combined to 1 because there were small audiences, and the audience like the metrics were almost the same, so we just stacked them. As you can see, we had 3 images. The best performing image from the warm-up phase was this one, so we continued with this one, and then we switched up these 2. So the new images, let me just quickly get it up. There we go. So we've got this one, which was the best performing one in the previous campaign, and then we've added these 3 images. In terms of, again, it's 1 day of data, so it's not very significant, but it's always interesting to look at. The one with the highest link click-through rate was this one, with the baby happy and everyone else asleep. And the lowest cost per click was also the baby one. It performed above average, and it also got the lowest cost per landing page view. So overall, also the lowest CPM, guys, by the way, that is also an important metric. Overall, this image performed best with 1 day of data. So obviously we're going to leave this to run for another day at least, to see what it does. But this was the best performing image so far. Click here to watch more. And then we had the copy that we got from the affiliate tools page. Personally, I think we should optimize the copy, because I think that they don't understand that it's a actual product for to purchase when they see this hard to believe. Okay, so that is what I want to optimize today. Let me get off the affiliate tools. So we've got landing pages, how to get any baby to sleep, watch, that's fine. So here we go. So sample headlines, I used sample headline 7. So as it says here, we strongly advise you against using our Facebook materials unchanged, as this will diminish everyone's results. We added emojis to it. We still want you to succeed with your promotion. So here are some sample headlines to get your creative juices flowing. Okay, so again, we're going to use these, and then we'll basically give our own spin on it. So what we'll do is we'll look at what they've got. The sleep secret your pediatrician has been hiding from you. The reason why fathers often put their children to sleep with more ease. Are you doing this? Okay, I like the first one. I think we should personalize a little bit more though. So we'll copy this. We'll go into the ads manager, and then we will select all. I highly advise against changing up campaigns when they are still running, because obviously we've got limited data. But I have been doing this for a while, and I can see from the data that nothing is going to like dramatically improve if we leave this to run for another 3 days. So what we're going to do is we are going to change the copy on this. So what we'll do is we'll call out our audience, which is parents of newborn babies. So we can say newborn baby, question mark. Use this sleep secret. Use this sleep secret. Now use this secret strategy. No, secret method maybe. Secret method to get your baby to fall asleep instantly. Okay, and then you'll just remove this. And then we'll add some emojis to that as well. So I'll remove this. Emojipedia.org. Baby. Baby. And then copy. Ads manager. Newborn baby. Sleep. Not sleep. Yeah, the Z. There we go. That's the one I wanted. Okay. This is the ad preview. This is what it looks like. Boom, boom. Newborn baby. Use this secret method to get your baby to fall asleep instantly. Okay, so that is all we are going to change for now. And then tomorrow we'll analyze the data again, and then we'll see if we're going to kill or leave this campaign running. So that is all I've got for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave this video with a thumbs up if you got some out of it. Comment down below if you have any more tips for me or anything that I can do to improve my ad campaigns or my YouTube channel in general. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Allow me to introduce the Dijs University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dijs University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.